Guyana's 9th Executive President, Dr. Mohamed IRFAAN Ali, delivered a phenomenal speech of unity, inclusivity, and leadership. FELECIA Valenzuela was at the inaugural ceremony and has more to tell us.
It's indeed a historic occasion. Just before 10 o'clock on Saturday morning, His Excellency Dr. Mohamed IRFAAN Ali inspected the Guard of Honor just behind me here at the National Cultural Center just before the beginning of his inauguration. He is the 9th Executive President of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana. Putting the fanfare aside, His Excellency Dr. Mohamed IRFAAN Ali has made it clear that the People's Progressive Party Civic's victory is a victory for all Guyanese.
To those of you who may not have supported me, I also thank you for your adherence to democracy and the rule of law. And I promise one and all, those who supported me and those who did not, that I will be the president for all the people of Guyana.
The president said he will serve all Guyanese with affection, without discrimination, and with every attention to fairness and equity. His Excellency also said that in his service to Guyana, he would not see a nation divided by ethnicity, but a nation cemented in unity.
This land of Guyana is our common homeland. It is our common heritage, and every citizen within it is equal and will be treated equally.
President Ali also assured that his government intends to fulfill the promises made in the PPP's manifesto on which it campaigned. He said central to fulfilling those promises will be the collaborative and consultative relationship with the private sector. FELECIA Valenzuela, InfoHub.